Hello friends, today I am going to explain the slope or gradient of a straight line, which is very simple topic but very important because it is used not only for the straight line but in the other topics also. So let us assume one line AB is there which makes angle theta with the positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Then the slope of the line will be equal to tan theta, where theta always is in between 0 to pi, because when angle becomes more than 180 degree or pi, it will start repeating its old values. That's why we say this angle is always 0 to pi. When the value of theta is in between 0 and pi by 2, in that case tan theta will be positive, so slope of the line will be positive. When the value of theta is in between pi by 2 and pi, then the value of tan theta will be negative. So the slope of the line will be negative. So here one more important thing is there. Suppose we measure the angle in the clockwise direction. Then what will happen? So in that case, we have to suppose this angle is phi. So in that case, slope of the line will be minus tan phi. So what is the value of phi here? 180 minus theta. So tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So this will become tan theta. So in both the cases answer is same. Only thing we have to use positive or negative sign in case of anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. Okay. Now suppose a line which is parallel to x-axis. So that line will make the angle 0 degree with the x-axis. So slope of the line of that line will be tan 0, which is equal to 0. Now assume one line is there which is parallel to y-axis, or we can say perpendicular to x-axis. So that line makes 90 degree with the x-axis. So slope of that line will be tan 90, which is equal to infinity. So the slope of that line will be infinite. Okay. Now suppose 2 points are given on a line. One point is P whose coordinates are x1, y1, and other point is Q whose coordinates are x2, y2. Then the slope of that line will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is one very simple formula. Now we will take one question. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3, 1 and 4 minus 2. So suppose this point is P whose coordinates x1, y1 is 3, 1. Other point is Q whose coordinates are x2, y2 equal to 4 minus 2. So the slope of that line will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 which is equal to -1, and slope of the line is equal to tan theta. So when tan theta is -1, theta is equal to 135 degree. So this is the angle which the line makes with the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. So this angle is 135 degree. Okay. So if you have any query on this topic, please write on the comment box. And if you find this video is really useful, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.